week on Wealthy Habits Podcast, where I have business convos and coffee. We have here Trump keeps trumping the IRS. The people who got PPP and EIDL are on pins and needles with this $80 billion that have been given to the IRS for compliance and to go back and get some of that money that was given out. We have ERC tax credits that are now available to small businesses. And an accountant is a wealthy habit. We are talking today about celebrity bad advice, but it is a series that we'll keep talking about week after week. All right, y'all? Are y'all ready? To find out what that means, you have to go and watch the full episode. It's available. Just go to accountantthisway.com. It's here. Use the link and find us for Wealthy Habits, so you can be a have and not a have not. I am Spicita Jackson, the accountant that you love, entrepreneur, advisory accountant that help you find the problem, know the solution, and grow to your unlimited life. Guys, I'll see you soon. Catch you inside of an episode that you don't want to miss.